have two types of digestion, which is mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Now we're going to talk about mechanical digestion, which requires energy. So once you take food and put it in your mouth, we call it indigestion. Then after you put food in your mouth, you're going to chew it, smash and grind the food into smaller pieces. After that, you're going to swallow it. When you swallow it, it's going to pass esophagus. And esophagus is a long tube that helps food to reach the stomach. Esophagus is going to help us with peristaltic waste, which contains contraction and relaxation of the muscles. This is a diagram that shows how the food that has been grind on the mouth goes to the esophagus. So when the food bolus, which is the round thing, when it passes the esophagus, the muscles contract. On the part where the bolus hasn't arrived is gonna be relaxation. When we talk about chemical digestion, that's where enzymes break down food, break the structure of the food into smaller pieces that will be easily absorbed. So in the mouth, we have saliva. Saliva contains enzymes called salivary amylase, which breaks down the food or starch into smaller pieces. Once the food enters the stomach, it mixes with enzymes that breaks down the food even more. So on the stomach, we have hydrochloric acid, which contains enzymes that chemically changes the structure of the food particles into more observable structure, which will be absorbed in the bloodstream. So we also have the liver, which helps with a special fluid that is called bile. Bile breaks down fat in the food into smaller pieces or in a liquid form that is going to move from the stomach into the small intestine. All nutrients are going to be absorbed into the bloodstreams and used by the body cells to create energy. So after they are absorbed, there are going to be remaining products which are going to move to large intestine. When they arrive in the large intestine, there are going to be nutrients and water that will be absorbed. After they are absorbed, the waste product or the remaining product are going to be moved to the rectum, which they are going to be stored as feces for a short time. After that, it's going to be ingested to the anus.